Hey guys, Chris back from C&H Small. Got a quick video here for you. I thought I'd do a chainsaw video because I haven't done one in quite some time, and I was installing a new chain on my chainsaw here. I have the Stihl chainsaw here with the Roll-O-Matic E on this one here specifically for that, and I haven't replaced the chain on this one for quite some time, probably about 3 years ago on this one. And I was up in my cabin here this past week up there, and we were cutting up a lot of logs up there, and I hit some dirt up there and stuff like that, and the chain got dull pretty bad up there. So this is my old chain right here. Let me see if I can show you the actual picture of the teeth on here for that, so we can get you a side shot of these real quick. And I can show you what they look like here. Let me see if I can put them at better lighting up here for you, so you can see a better lighting here for that. So it's getting pretty dull on there, guys. It's getting kind of beat up on there for that, and I really didn't want to sharpen the chain, so I just want to get the a new chain for that. So I used my Stens account right here for that, and we got some I basically bought 2 spare chains here for this one right here, and I just want to show you what I actually got here for reference points for this one specific saw. I got the Stihl part number 090-3607. This is a Stens Silver Streak. There we go. There's the actual packaging name, Silver Streak. And this is their, let me see, give you this side show the packaging as well too. There's a part number right there for that. Silver Streak, semi-chisel standard. It's basically not a safety chain, so this is a full cut chain right there. It has a 3/8 pitch, and you got 60 driver links on here, so it's a semi-chisel standard right here. Gauge is .050, and these things typically sell for about, I think about 15-16 bucks on the website right here specifically for that. So I just want to give you a review of what I actually thought about these chainsaw chains. And here's the actual chain itself right here for reference points out of the package, brand new. So let me see if I can flip these things up here and show the actual angular piece on there for that. Looks great. Looks nice and shiny. Looks brand new, perfect on there. The angles look absolutely perfect on here. And I had quite a good review from this specific type of chain on my Stihl right here. I have a short bar in this one right here, so this is the Stihl MS. Get that thing cleaned off here. Stihl MS 361 here specifically for that. So this is, I think I bought this back in 05 or 06. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was back in 05, 06, somewhere around there. So this thing's about 14, 15 years old. So chainsaw. Chain is the good old Silver Streak from Stens. That's their Stens brand, and overall I really like them out. It cuts like butter through most of wood out there for that. Never really had any single kind of problems with them at all out there, other than if you start hitting dirt or some kind of a nail or something out in your the actual grind out there for that, that'll cause your chain to get dull pretty quick out there, because like I said before, I was in my cabin, we were cutting up a lot of wood for the fire, and I had a lot of dirt up there because the wood I was cutting up there was getting it was like super close to the ground, and I got my chain pretty much dull up there real quick up there. So I went on Stens website and I purchased 2 of these new chains right here for reference points. So they're only about 14-16 bucks right there for that. So it's a lot, and in my personal opinion, it's simply more economical to go out and buy a new chainsaw chain rather than trying to sharpen anything up, because if you buy a brand new one, the whole thing's brand new. The the angular edge on each one of the teeth on there is totally clean, brand new, fresh on it, ready to go, and it'll be cutting through wood like a beaver out there for that. So that's my review, guys, of the good old Silver Streak from Stens. Like I said before, this is the Stens brand. Here's the actual packaging as well too. Here's the part number again for you guys. Part number 090-3607, made in China. That's the only major drawback. This is the semi-chisel standard. Driver lengths on this one is 60. The pitch is 3/8, and the gauge is .050. Like I said before, they're only about 14-16 bucks, so it's a pretty good deal. So I bought 2 of them out there for that, since I have the Stens account, and I typically buy most of my parts from Stens out there. Plus, they have competitive shipping rates and stuff like that as well too. So if you're in the market and you want to start a business, or you already have a small engine repair business, I recommend getting a Stens account, so you can buy in like bulk quantity for most general parts like belts, blades, general purpose parts out there for most machines out there for that, guys. So it's been a quick review for the Silver Streak chain from Stens. Anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot, feel free to drop me a message here, and I'll try to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Well, 24 to 48 hours with some kind of a basic reply to your question if you have something, guys. So I'll see you. Have a nice day.